Google is deeply committed to finding ways that AI can save you from manually typing a word into the Gmail search box. And that's why it announced Gmail Live at Google I/O, which is now in beta testing. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Some Android and iOS users might start to see the new feature on their phones before they roll out to Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers at some point during the summer. It's part of Google's attempt to make users experience Gemini Live in popular apps like Gmail, Docs, and Drive, with each getting its own version in the coming months. Although no one has seen Gmail Live with their own eyes yet, but 9to5 Google has a useful visual run-through of how it works. The live icon would appear in the search field with the Gemini button popping up next to it. Tapping this launches Gmail Live in full screen with a warning that it remains a beta-free feature for now. You'll also see an on-screen button for quitting Gmail Live and returning to your inbox, as well as a mic mute toggle. You can ask Gemini to search your email for things like upcoming travel dates or the whereabouts of orders, which will currently just take a small waiting period for voice commands to be processed. Gemini Live functionality appears to be steadily rolling out to Google's various apps at the moment. Users are still waiting for Docs Live, which will turn your stream of thoughts into a structured document draft, pulling in details from other apps with your permission, and Keep Live brings features similar to Google's note-taking app. But a thing to remember is that all of these features will initially be exclusive to Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers, with Google Workspace business customers able to test them in preview. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.